Here's a guide on how to find and edit the clipboard on your iPhone. If you're looking to access or modify items you've recently copied, follow these steps. To demonstrate, let's start with the Notes app. To copy text, simply double-tap to select it and then choose Copy. You can then paste it elsewhere. However, if you'd like to view or edit the contents of your clipboard, you'll need to use the Shortcuts app. First, open the Shortcuts app. If you don't already have it, download it from the App Store. It's an official Apple app. Once inside the app, tap Gallery from the bottom menu and search for Clipboard. Scroll down until you find Adjust Clipboard, then tap the plus symbol to add it to your shortcuts. After adding it, go back to the Shortcuts menu, where you'll find Adjust Clipboard. Select it to open and view your clipboard's contents. You can then edit, replace, or delete the text as desired. When done, select Done. If prompted with a privacy warning, simply select Allow. Now, if you try pasting content from your clipboard elsewhere, you'll see the changes you made. This is a straightforward way to view or modify your clipboard history on iPhone.